Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ActiveCampaign for email automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Automations tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the New Automation button to start creating your first automation. You will be presented with several options. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your preference. If you start from scratch, select Create an Automation. Next, you'll see a screen prompting you to add a trigger. Triggers are essential as they determine when your automation will start. Set the specific list or form that will activate this automation. Once configured, click Continue to move to the next step. Next, consider adding a delay or condition if needed. This will help tailor the automation to your audience. Click on the plus icon to add a new action. From the list presented, select Send an email to draft your first email. You can create a new email or select an existing one. If creating a new email, click on Create an Email. Enter a name for your email to keep it organized. Now, customize the email by adding a subject line and content. Be sure to include personalization tags to make it engaging. Once you're satisfied with your email, click Save and Exit. Return to your automation workflow to continue building it. You can keep adding actions such as delays, conditions, or additional emails. Review your automation workflow for clarity and effectiveness. When everything looks good, click the Activate button to turn your automation live. You can always come back to edit it later as your needs change. To monitor your automation's performance, check the Reports section. Here, you'll find analytics on email opens, clicks, and other key metrics. With these steps, you have successfully configured ActiveCampaign for email automation. Enjoy enhancing your email marketing strategy with automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.